Hello from Slovenia again. So that I will not bother you, I already poured my red background, and today we will do a reverse flower dip. I did quite some experiments lately, but today I just want to do a flower dip, and you can see that I have red marks already because I tilt my canvas and poured my paint into the cup, back to the cup. So this is the way how I try to save some paint. Just have something here or something in here. Okay, so what I chose today, I have phthalo Prussian blue from Amsterdam, and as always I will put links in the description box. So I will start with this phthalo Prussian blue. And the next one is Extreme Sheen Cashmere Gold. It's not the regular gold, but cashmere gold. Okay, and next will be this red that I have for my background, because I want some of this red too. And next will be, this is Amsterdam Bronze. And let's do my pearl white. And I have mint because I want some lighter parts here too, so let's see. And Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. Okay, and let's add some white again. I will talk one day about the process, how I chose my colors and my combinations, and how I decide which colors will I use and how I will combine them. So it's red again and copper. And some white again, pearl white. And this mint. And Pebeo Iridescent. This Pebeo comes in iridescent green blue and blue green, so that's why I have this problem every time. So if you will check my description box, it will be definitely the right shade. Because I sometimes when I watch my videos, I see that I didn't tell you the right shade, so and I think that this will be it. And now let's do our petals. I have to say that I like this combination for now. I'm just wondering how it will look like at the end. So I will leave it like it is, and I will spray my napkin. Just have to find some clean space to put my napkin on, because if you put your napkin on the paint, you will have that paint on your napkin and it will transfer to your painting. So I have quite some problems today with my napkin. See, these air pockets underneath. I will just gently touch them just to make sure that my napkin will touch the paint. I like this red, I have to say, because it's like a brick or something. This kind of natural look of red that you can find in the nature too. So it's really nice, but I hope that my combination is nice too, and that this will work nice together. So let's see. Probably hear my chickens. Yes, it is nice. I again struggle a little bit with the lifting, so I will just try to just spread it a little bit. You see on this side, just a little more. Okay, this will probably be probably it. Just maybe. Have to add some red around. and now I will leave it. Now I'm happy. Wow, it looks so beautiful, guys. Just to even this up a little bit. Maybe I can torch it first. Wow, I'm in love with this painting. I really am, because it's so beautiful. So my colors, I don't know, I like this combination so much. And this red is really so nice because it's so natural look of this red. As I already said. So I am really happy with this painting. And again, sometimes it's just so weird what I like really a lot. Maybe just my preference, but just want to fix this white spot here because I just didn't like it. It was just too much, and now it's just perfect. I will leave this part like it is. I really wish that I would have this here too, so, but you can have all, you know that, and I know too. So tell me, what do you think about this color combination? Just a second. I don't know which light would be best. But the colors and the lacing are just stunning. See, this is the part that I was hoping for here too. I really love this. See this darker blue shade coming through here, and these leaves that are a little blue and then gold and red. And the middle is quite nice too, and when this iridescent will be dry, it will be even more beautiful. So I really like it. I just think maybe I should just turn my lights off, but you probably saw what I was talking about. So tell me what you think. Do you like this color combination or not? And see you on the next one. Bye.